Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, let's talk about skin health. Your skin is your largest organ, and it's often a reflection of your overall health. One of the biggest culprits behind skin issues, you guessed it, sugar. We all love a little sweetness in our lives, but excessive sugar intake can wreak havoc on your skin. It's like feeding your face a diet of candy and expecting it to glow. Instead, you might notice more frequent breakouts, that dull and dry look, even premature wrinkles. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 telltale skin signs that your sweet tooth might be getting the best of you, and more importantly, how to combat them. Let's get started. Let's talk about acne, that unwelcome guest that loves to pop up at the worst times. It's like it knows exactly when you have an important event or a big date. One major factor contributing to those pesky pimples is, you guessed it, sugar. Yes, that sweet treat we all love can be a major culprit. When you consume excess sugar, it triggers a spike in insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. This spike can cause a chain reaction in your body. This surge in insulin can stimulate the production of sebum, the oily substance that clogs pores and leads to breakouts. It's like adding fuel to the fire. Think of it like this. Sugar is like an overzealous party host in your body, throwing a massive bash in your pores, leaving behind a mess of inflammation and blemishes. It's a party you definitely don't want to attend. But don't worry, there's hope. Reducing your sugar intake is the first step to calming the party down. It's like telling that overzealous host to take it easy. Start by cutting back on sugary drinks, processed foods, and those tempting desserts. It's all about making smarter choices. Remember, you don't have to go cold turkey. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your diet. Little by little, you'll notice a difference. Swap out that sugary soda for water or unsweetened tea. Your body will thank you for it. Choose whole fruits instead of candy bars. Fruits have natural sugars and are packed with nutrients. Your skin will thank you for it. Clearer skin is just one of the many benefits. And hey, less sugar means you're on your way to a healthier you overall. It's a win-win. Not only will your skin improve, but your overall health will too. So break up with breakouts and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Ever look in the mirror and feel like your skin has lost its luster? Like it's constantly craving a tall glass of water? Well, if you've got a sugar habit, your skin might be trying to tell you something. Sugar, my friends, is a master dehydrator. It sucks the moisture right out of your skin, leaving it feeling parched and looking, well, dull. You know that tight, uncomfortable feeling you get after a day of indulging in sugary treats? That's your skin crying out for hydration. But fear not, there are ways to combat this sugary sabotage. First and foremost, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Think of it as giving your skin a refreshing internal shower. Next, load up on hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and spinach. These nutrient-rich powerhouses are packed with water and antioxidants to help replenish your skin from the inside out. And don't forget about your skincare routine. Look for products with hyaluronic acid, a humectant that attracts and retains moisture like a magnet. It's like giving your skin a big old drink of water. Chapter 3. Puffy eyes and dark circles. Don't let sugar steal your sleep. Let's be real, we've all been there. Waking up after a night of indulging in one too many sweet treats, only to be greeted by puffy eyes and dark circles staring back at us in the mirror. It's frustrating, isn't it? You might wonder why this happens and what you can do to prevent it. Sugar, my friends, is a master of disguise when it comes to sabotaging your sleep. It sneaks into your diet in the form of those delicious desserts and late-night snacks. And before you know it, it's wreaking havoc on your sleep quality. It might seem like a harmless bedtime snack, but in reality, it can disrupt your sleep cycle and leave you feeling less than refreshed. The sugar rush might give you a temporary high, but it's followed by a crash that can keep you tossing and turning all night. When you consume sugar close to bedtime, it sends your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride, causing energy spikes and crashes throughout the night. This erratic pattern can make it difficult for your body to settle into a restful sleep. This can lead to restless sleep and those dreaded dark circles. Your body needs a stable environment to rest and recover, and sugar disrupts this balance. But here's the good news: you can fight back. There are simple steps you can take to improve your sleep and reduce the appearance of puffy eyes and dark circles. Start by establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include activities like reading a book, meditating, or taking a warm bath to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid sugary snacks and drinks before bed, opting for sleep-promoting foods like a handful of almonds or a banana instead. These foods contain nutrients that can help you relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. And if you're still struggling with puffy eyes and dark circles, try applying a cold compress or chilled cucumber slices to the affected area for a few minutes. This simple remedy can work wonders. The coolness will help constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. By making these small changes, you can wake up feeling refreshed and looking your best, ready to take on the day with confidence. Chapter 4: Premature Wrinkles. Fight back with antioxidant power. Wrinkles, those pesky lines that seem to appear out of nowhere, are a natural part of aging. But did you know that excessive sugar intake can accelerate the aging process and lead to premature wrinkles? It's true. Sugar is a sneaky culprit that contributes to a process called glycation. In simple terms, glycation is like caramelizing your skin from the inside out. When sugar molecules bind to collagen and elastin fibers, they form harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These AGEs weaken collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and elastic, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and a loss of youthful volume. But don't despair. You can fight back against sugar's aging effects by loading up on antioxidants. Antioxidants are like tiny superheroes that neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to aging. Incorporate antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts. And don't forget about your skincare routine. Look for products containing antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and green tea extract. Chapter 5: Flushed and Uneven. Calm the sugar rush. Ever notice your skin looking a little red or flushed after indulging in a sugary treat? It's not just your imagination. Or maybe you've experienced breakouts and inflammation that seem to flare up after a sugar binge. These reactions are more common than you might think. Well, my friends, sugar might be the culprit behind your skin's temper tantrums. It's not just about the calories. It's about what sugar does to your body. Sugar can wreak havoc on your skin's delicate balance, triggering inflammation and redness. This can make your skin look uneven and irritated. When you consume excess sugar, it sets off a chain reaction in your body that leads to the release of inflammatory compounds. These compounds can travel through your bloodstream and affect your skin. These inflammatory compounds can irritate the skin, causing redness, flushing, and even breakouts. It's like your skin is having a mini protest against sugar. If you have a pre-existing skin condition like rosacea or eczema, sugar can exacerbate these conditions and make symptoms worse. This can lead to more frequent flare-ups and discomfort. But don't worry, there are ways to soothe the sugar rush and restore your skin's calm. It's all about making mindful choices. First and foremost, reduce your sugar intake. This doesn't mean you have to cut out all sugar, but being mindful of your consumption can make a big difference. This will help minimize the inflammatory response in your body and give your skin a chance to heal. You'll start to notice a more even complexion and less irritation. Next, focus on incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, such as fatty fish, leafy greens, and berries. These foods are not only good for your skin, but also for your overall health. These nutrient-rich powerhouses contain compounds that help combat inflammation and promote skin health. By making these dietary changes, you can help your skin stay calm and clear. Outrow, take control of your skin's destiny. So there you have it, the 5 skin signs that your sweet tooth might be getting the best of you, and more importantly, how to combat them. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health, and what you put into your body shows up on the outside. By being mindful of your sugar intake and making healthier choices, you can help your skin look and feel its best. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about balance and moderation. Enjoy those sweet treats in moderation and focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods. And don't forget to show your skin some love with a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. With a little effort and consistency, you can achieve a healthier, more radiant complexion. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more health and gaming tips, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and keep on gaming.